In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play the strongest Battlegrounds on iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find and join the strongest Battlegrounds on an iPad. Now, you will notice that I am recording this video not on an iPad. I apologize, but don't worry, the process is going to be exactly the same. All that you have to do is open Roblox on your iPad, and in here use the search function to look for the strongest battlegrounds. So you can go ahead and look for strongest. Because it is a very popular experience, it is going to suggest it right away. So immediately upon finding the strongest battlegrounds, you will be able to go into the details and join. So you can tap the green button to join or make a private server, whatever you prefer. And once you join the experience, you will be able to play. So immediately upon joining the experience, you will see all of the details appear, all of the buttons, and you will be able to play. So as you can see, you can use the buttons at the right side of the screen to block. You can do M1s or attack here, so you can do your combos. You can dash, and you can jump. So you can use all of these buttons at the right, and you will be able to move around with the joystick on the left. You will be able to customize these, so as you can see, you can move the buttons around, maybe put them into a more comfortable position, and you can customize however you prefer. If you want to reset them, just choose the second option and they will go back to default. And this is all you have to do. The game is fully compatible with mobile, all of the buttons will be adjusted for you, and for the most part, you will be able to control everything. You can open chat to talk to others here. You will be able to browse through all of the settings, do your awakening once it is full, and of course you can use your abilities. You can choose between all of the characters, and the game is going to work completely on any iPad or iOS device. All that you have to do is open Roblox, make sure that it is up to date, and look for the experience. I hope I was able to help you on how to play the strongest battlegrounds on an iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.